Okay. So I don't know where this place is. Just happened to go by this by accident too. You see the beautiful horses? I mean, like, look at them. Whole spot is a really beautiful area. I'm not sure if it's part of, there's a campground around here, and then there might be 2 camps around here. I'm not sure. There's this beautiful lake that we're gonna pass. It really is a beautiful day. It was like 50 something when I left, so I'm guessing it's probably around the same temperature. And so if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each. And my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis. That is Hidden Oasis -Secret Pathfinder. And I think as we continue on, there's just a little bit more of real beautiful spots. So I'm just gonna keep filming actually here, because I think there's a spot that we hit that looked like an old, I think it's right around here. This looked like an old, you see that? There's like, looks like a spot where the horses, that might belong to the same people, but it also looked run down and right on the creek like that, beautiful. And then there's another spot a little farther down. I'm trying to remember what I saw there. And then you see the little bridge. Just trying to get to the top of the hill where their beautiful White House sits. Sorry. I know there's a spot coming up that is, hold on. A little place with stones, I just remember, and I thought it was pretty. I'm gonna keep filming. Down here that often, so I'm trying to remember where I am at the moment. Well, anyway, subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word. And next time I might look for that White House I was talking about.